Good day. In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate to you how to navigate XAMPP Control Panel and explore in creating a database in open XAMPP Control Panel and start Apache Server and MySQL. On MySQL, click the admin button to proceed in the http://localhost/myadmin server. To create your database, click New on the left side of the page and define the name of your database. For my example, MyDatabase. Click the Create button to create your database. Next, since our database is new, we need to create a table in it, and in that table, specify the number of columns for that database table. In my example, students_info my database table, and it contains 6 columns. Click Create button to create your database table. Once the database table is created, it will ask you to define what are the fields or attributes in the students_info table. To specify the field or attribute of the database table, type in the field name and specify the type of data of that field so with its length. For my example, student_ID, int type, length 1, make it as primary key and set auto increment. Student_name, varchar type, length 50. Student_name, varchar type, length 50. Student_name, varchar type, length 50. Student_course, varchar type, length 10. Last is student_age, varchar type, length 5. Once the fields are set, scroll down and click the button Save to finish the database table. Insert row. To insert a new record or row in the database table, click Insert button and insert a value in each field and click Go button to save a row. To view the records in the student_info table, click Browse. You can insert as many records as you can. Repeat the process in the insert. Update field. To update a specific field of a row, simply double-click the value and update the existing value. Press Enter key to successfully edit the value. Delete a record. To delete a record, simply view all rows of the students_info table, then click the button Delete to delete a specific row.